Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a diamond block. Obtaining a diamond block is a significant achievement in the game, showcasing your progress and resourcefulness. We will cover the entire process, from finding the raw materials deep underground to assembling the final, valuable block. This guide will help you efficiently gather the necessary resources and craft your very own diamond block. To begin your quest for a diamond block, you must first find individual diamonds. These precious gems are typically located deep underground, most commonly between Y level 5 and Y level 16. Remember to bring a pickaxe made of at least iron, as lower-tier tools will not yield any diamonds. Be prepared for a thorough mining expedition to gather enough raw materials. Crafting a single diamond block demands a total of 9 individual diamonds. This means you'll need to dedicate time to mining, whether by exploring vast cave systems or employing efficient strip mining techniques. To speed up the process, consider enchanting your pickaxe with fortune, which can increase the number of diamonds dropped from each ore block. Patience and persistence are key here. Once you have successfully gathered all 9 diamonds, the final step is to craft your diamond block. Simply open a crafting table, which provides a 3x3 crafting grid. Place 1 diamond into each of the 9 available slots within this grid. The diamond block will then instantly appear in the output slot, ready for you to collect and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.